you doing, Austin?
I killed the worm with a stick and I cut off his head.
Did you eat it?
No.
Oh.
If I were lost and you guys weren't here and I was lost, I probably would.
Would you?
Because that's how a lot of people survive in surviving shows.
You ate worms?
Hey Dad, I found something awesome!
Is it awesome?
I don't know.
Go check it out.
Probably not. Austin, what's up there? It's hard to explain. Let's just say it's something that makes me tall. Whoa. Awesome. Hey Dad! We found it!
What did you find?
We found a picnic table.
Let's go see.
And like some firewood.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
It's a little camp spot up above the pond, huh? All right, do a dance for me. Good for you. That's a good dance. What'd you find, son?
A picnic table.
Awesome. Let's go check it out.
It's like this little thing that leads to a picnic.
Where? What are you throwing at the fish for?
I'm throwing them food. Watch.
Are they eating it?
Yeah. Look at all of them.
Where?
There's a ton of them right there. See, look at them go. This is kind of cheating.
What?
Oh, these fish are probably pretty easy to catch.
Yeah, they are. They come out of the hatchery. Yeah, they're eating it, huh?
They're eating it. Granola
Yeah.
bar. Look at that. You see him?
Oh.
Yeah.
Trying to swim upstream.
Well, we'll bring a pole next time and you guys can catch them, okay?
Yeah.
Would you like to catch a fish, Austin?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll bring some fishing line and...
Cannonball! There's only one thing to do on a hot day like this. Cannonball!
You'd make a good cannonballer.
Yeah,
Except...
don't stick me in a pirate cannon. I think I touched poison ivy.
Did you? Well, we don't have poison ivy here. That's stinging nettle.
Ah!
You should gather some stinging nettle, Jared.
Hey.
Let me tell you why.
Where, you want to feed the fish?
Yeah.
Come here.
Can you feed the fish? I didn't see many on this side.
They're jumping out there.
They're out in the deep stuff. Okay, throw it out there and see if you can get some to come in.
You see it? I threw it already. See? Right there.
I gotta
Jump
do
it. Go get some more.
Okay. Well, now I'm gonna shoot the guy.
Did you hit your target, Jordan?
Thank you. Austin,
Good
we're
job.
gonna walk down range. Don't shoot.
Let's go see what you hit.
Did you shoot the top one? No, I hit that guy about like 10,000 times, and then I hit those areas. I was aiming right.
I was aiming right here.
I was aiming at the belly.
Pretty good.
That's good. It's a pretty good gun.
Did
Right
it pass
on.
through this one time?
Yeah, they go right through this.
Whoa, look at the back.
Yeah. They go right through it. Your bullets were hitting that can down there.
What can?
See that can right there? They go all the way through
And that's
that.
the damage. I want to eat through it first.
Did you hit that target too, Jordan?
Huh?
Did you hit that target too?
I don't know, probably.
You went through the bear and hit the bullseye, huh?
Yeah.
You believe that? What you got in your ears?
Toilet paper.
Oh, cool. Just in case?
Yep.
Good for you. Come on, Austin.
Shove that in the middle.
Okay, come on.
Dad, I shoved that in the middle.
Here. Keep your arms out straight, remember?
Hold it up a little higher.
It's jammed again.
All right, you ready? Okay, now hold it nice and stiff. Go ahead. That better? Yeah, see, that's a lot better.
Come here, Oz.
That's turn.
Zach,
Keep going.
come here.
Keep going. Just go ahead and finish the clip.
Okay.
Okay, you're done. Got him.
Got it. Zach, stay over here. Come here, bud. Zach, stay here. Don't throw rocks.
Hey guys, you have fun?
Yeah.
You have a good time?
Yeah. Because I say yeah, yeah.
Okay, you heading for home? How about you, Jordan?
I had fun.
Good, you coming again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll see you guys.
All right, thanks, Dad.
So long.
We'll see you.
Okay.